This is unboxing for Corsair keyboard. This is a mechanical keyboard and it has what they call RGB, different colors that will show up, and you can program this. So mechanical keyboards are very nice to basically work with. This one also is the type of cherry keyboard. So let's open it and see what this looks like. So let's get these seals open. So opening this box for the very first time. So this is what the box looks like. There's a stand that basically for resting your wrist on this, and whatever this thing is, there's a little documentation. Extra keys. Usually these keys are good for like gaming, WES and things like that you can replace them with. Also a little puller is shrink wrapped, and this is the keyboard itself. So it has a very beefy wire. And it's pretty heavy keyboard. I would say it feels at least about, I mean, this is just a feeling of how much weight it is, at least 2-3 pounds, maybe even more. It's a pretty heavy keyboard. So let's try to get the wires out. So it doesn't seem to be wanting to come up. So there we go. So that's the wires. Put this here and put the keyboard on top. And let's see what the sound is. So it's not as loud as like blue switches seem to be very loud. So this is a cherry, and I believe this one is the cherry brown. They also have a red version as well. Brown is pretty nice, as well as red is pretty nice. Cherry, red, and brown are two of my favorite switches. So that's it. This is how the keyboard sounds like. So that's it. Please subscribe for more.